how to convert text to speech. Now in this video, I'll be showing you a free text to voice converter, which is actually really good and sounds very nice. So if you find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and let's get started. So for this, we're actually going to use this AI right over here. It's called Lovo.ai. You can just start now for free, and then you will have to quickly log into your account or create one. It's actually very easy to do. Then you can actually start. So this is the first project that will open up. So here, the first project that you will open up is this quick basic project that will kind of just show you how you can actually use this. So if you hit play.
With Jenny, you can easily create realistic voiceover for your videos. This is a text block. You can freely type your script.
Voices in 100 languages are perfect for.
Press Generate on the right to generate speech, or visit project.
Just like that, they'll just kind of like explain to you how it works. But basically, I am just gonna go ahead and go back and create a new project. So here you can either choose a voiceover or a video as well. So I'm gonna just go and click voiceover. Now here you can type something and it's currently set to Kyle. Now if you want to change the person or the language even, then you want to click on the name. And here you have premium voices as well, as you can see, but there's also other voices. So I can, for example, choose English United States, and then, for example, go to global voice, and here you have a bunch of them. So you can also preview them by simply clicking on their like face, I guess. But let's say I want to use this, I can simply click on select. And then there we go. So now I can type something. And then once you've typed in something, you want to hit ready to generate. So click on there, and then it will sort of like generate this over here. You can see the bar right over here and how long it will actually take. So this will probably, yeah, this will take 5 seconds to say. So I can just go back to the beginning, hit play, and then this is how it will sound like.
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and comment if this was helpful.
Just like that. So that's actually super easy to do, and you can also use multiple voices right here as well, because there's 2 speakers currently, but you can also just use only one of them. So you can actually add up to 500 words right over here, but then you can even just duplicate it or add the exact same person or voice and do it again. Once you are actually done, you can actually go ahead and export this. So click on there. And then this will pop up. So you have to give it a name. I'm going to just leave it as untitled. And then MP3 or a WAV, it doesn't really matter. Hit export. And then it is currently now exporting it. Now that it's done, I just want to click on download. And as you can see right here, you actually have to upgrade your plan in order to download this. But there's also an easy alternative in order to do this. You simply just want to download this free screen recording app for your PC. It's called OBS. It's super easy to use. This is basically how it looks like. I am currently recording as well. Simply hit record, and then you can actually record your audio right over here. So you can, for example, play it and then hit
Thanks for
record.
watching this video.
And yeah, that's super easy. So then you have the actual file on your PC as a video, and then you can use it however you would like to. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments, and then I will see you next time.